Did you know eating honey with this can lead to cancer and dementia? Even honey, a gift from bees, has its best and worst food pairings. Good honey needs to be eaten correctly to benefit the body. Eating it with the wrong foods can actually harm your health. That's why I've prepared this. For cancer and dementia prevention, I'll reveal the 3 worst food pairings with honey and the 3 best ones. Hello everyone. It's your Dr. John. Haven't subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button and like right now. Please share with your loved ones. And introduce Dr. John to others. I'll continue to deliver only the best health information. Did you know there's one food on earth that never spoils? It's considered humanity's first food from nature. So precious that ancient Romans called it the dew of the gods, fallen from the sky. Today's star is the sweet and nutritious honey. Honey is made by bees from the nectar of flowering plants and their enzymes, creating not just sugar but also amino acids, vitamins, minerals like iron and zinc, and antioxidants. Besides being a natural sweetener, honey is full of anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and is especially known for its immune-boosting benefits. Were you aware there are over 320 types of honey worldwide? The type of honey varies depending on the flowers the bees visit, including acacia, canola, chestnut, and manuka honey, as well as wildflower and mixed flower honey. There's also sugar-fed honey, known as artificial honey. To produce just 1 kilogram of honey, bees must visit 5.6 million flowers, making us truly grateful to the bees for this healthful gift. But, did you know? Even this beneficial honey can be harmful to your health when eaten with certain foods. So, let's find out the 3 worst food pairings for cancer and dementia prevention, and the 3 best food pairings that can help extend our lifespan healthily. First up, the worst pairing with honey is food made from soy, like tofu and soy milk. With the dangers of sugar well known, many think all sweetness is bad for health. But natural honey, as a natural sugar, is entirely different from refined sugar. Sugar molecules are large and must be broken down into smaller glucose or fructose molecules during digestion before being absorbed by the body. This process consumes insulin, calcium, vitamins in our body, and raises blood sugar levels. However, honey, a gift from bees, is entirely different. Honey is already broken down and processed by bees, consisting of simple sugars. So, when you eat honey, it's absorbed directly into your body without the need for digestion, quickly becoming a source of energy. That's why you feel an instant boost of energy and recovery after consuming honey. With its health benefits becoming well known, there are now many popular recipes using natural honey. Especially, many people like adding sweet honey to soy milk and tofu for health reasons. But wait! You shouldn't do that. Soy products, like soy milk, have a significantly higher protein content than milk. Honey, besides sugar, contains organic acids. The organic acids in honey and the protein in soy milk can react and form a precipitate, easily speaking they become lump or mass. This precipitate is not absorbed but instead expelled from the body, making the protein-rich soy milk and honey combination useless. Moreover, soy is considered a cold food, which helps remove heat from the body, clashing with honey's hot nature, which gathers heat inside. When the cold and hot energies collide in the stomach, it can cause digestive problems. So, it's best not to pair honey with soy products like tofu and soy milk. Then, what we should have to pair honey with? Then, the food I recommend as the best match with honey is milk. Instead of soy milk, it's really good to pair it with milk because milk has lower protein content than soy milk, which means less interaction with the organic acids in honey. Plus, the health benefits synergy is incredible. Many people suffer from insomnia these days, right? Good sleep is really important for our health. And this issue can be neatly resolved by having warm milk with honey in the evening. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan. This amino acid changes into a serotonin chemical in our body. You might know serotonin as the happiness hormone. Surprisingly, it not only alleviates depression but also suppresses the arousal hormone, which is a cause of insomnia, thereby helping you sleep deeply. However, sadly, drinking milk alone doesn't allow this amino acid to be fully absorbed in the body. That's when honey comes into play. Not only does honey contain tryptophan, but it also facilitates the full absorption of this amino acid into our body, enabling it to activate promptly. Therefore, compared to drinking milk alone, adding honey not only enhances feelings of happiness and stability, but also quickly improves sleep health benefits. The second worst pairing with honey involves food and drinks rich in tannins, such as black tea, green tea, or unripe persimmons. Have you ever experienced a bitter taste after brewing black or green tea for too long, or eating an unripe persimmon? That's due to tannins. Tannins belong to the polyphenol family. Miraculous antioxidants that help eliminate free radicals in our body, prevent cellular aging, and cleanse waste from our blood vessels and body. While black tea, green tea, and persimmons, which are rich in tannins, are great for health, they should not be consumed with honey. Especially considering the minerals in honey, including iron. When iron meets tannins, it forms an indigestible compound that prevents absorption in the body. So, while you might be consuming honey for health, combining it with these tannin-rich foods can nullify their nutritional benefits and make digestion more difficult. You need to consume them separately to fully benefit from each of their nutritional properties. Wait a minute. Have you ever made honey tea with boiling hot water? That's not the way to go. Honey is full of vitamins, amino acids, and beneficial enzymes. But the problem is that these components are sensitive to heat. If you use water that's too hot, it can destroy all those nutrients. To preserve the health benefits of honey, make your honey tea with warm water, ideally between 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling hot. This way, you can enjoy all the health benefits honey has to offer. The second food item that pairs excellently with honey is cinnamon. Replacing black or green tea with cinnamon honey tea can turn it into a supreme health elixir. Did you know that honey is beneficial for the immune system? Honey contains a significant amount of vitamins and minerals that boost immunity and protect our body from colds and viruses that come from outside. Moreover, honey is rich in a natural antibiotic substance called propolis. Here's a quiz. Have you ever wondered why bees, living in close quarters by the thousands in a beehive, don't get infected with viruses like other insects or animals? The reason is that bees coat the entrance of the hive with a thick layer of a substance to prevent pathogens from penetrating. This substance is the propolis. In our bodies, propolis acts as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and especially as an anti-cancer agent. It prevents cancer cells from replicating and dividing by inhibiting their growth, and even induces them to self-destruct. Additionally, it lowers cholesterol levels in the blood and strengthens the heart and blood vessels, thereby preventing cardiovascular diseases like arteriosclerosis and hypertension. Here's the kick. When honey is combined with cinnamon, a miracle happens. The antioxidants in cinnamon enhance the anti-inflammatory effects of honey and reduce inflammation levels in the blood vessels. Moreover, the hot properties of honey and cinnamon together aid in blood circulation. This miraculous combination effectively addresses cold hands and feet, numbness during cold weather, and can even alleviate joint pain or muscle aches. Impressively, when honey and cinnamon are consumed together, cinnamon helps to lower blood sugar levels, allowing for a healthy intake of sugars. Remember, the cinnamon honey tea is a key to harnessing these benefits. The third and final food that forms a poor combination with honey is the onion. There was a time when onion honey pickles became extremely popular due to their perceived health benefits. Onions, known as cleaners of the blood vessels, seem to offer a way to enhance their shelf life while also harnessing the health benefits of honey. However, surprisingly, consuming onions and honey together is strongly discouraged. Onions contain a volatile compound called allyl sulfide, which can cause gas formation in the body when ingested. When consumed with honey, this combination can lead to severe abdominal bloating and chronic indigestion. Additionally, it may even adversely affect your eyesight, so caution is advised. The vitamins and phytochemicals in onions inhibit the activity of the health-promoting enzymes in honey. Therefore, it is recommended to consume honey and onions separately. To avoid these negative interactions and ensure you benefit from each food's unique health properties. Then, instead of onions, the third and best food to eat with honey is radish. Many people might suffer from colds, and it's quite challenging to deal with coughs and phlegm. Coughing is bad for your lungs and can hurt your throat. Plus, having a lot of phlegm can make it easy for viruses to grow, so it's important to find a good way to deal with it. A great solution for coughs, phlegm, and boosting your immune system is honey and radish. Did you know that radishes in autumn and winter are super good for you, even better than some traditional remedies? When it gets colder, radishes taste sweeter and have more nutrients. Eating these healthy radishes with honey makes your lungs and throat stronger and helps you breathe easier. It's a fantastic way to help with coughs, phlegm, and making your immune system stronger. The reason radishes taste spicy is because of something in them called cinnabarin. This stuff helps make your throat stronger and loosens up phlegm. Radishes are also full of vitamin C, which is really important for keeping your immune system working well. Eating them with honey makes an amazing combo. The dextromethorphan in honey helps stop coughs and calms down any swelling in your throat. Plus, honey makes the spicy taste of radishes smoother and makes the vitamins work better. So it tastes good and is really healthy for you. You can mix radish and honey together and let it sit to make a kind of tea or juice. Putting a spoonful of honey in dried radish tea is also a great idea. Here is a quick tip. When you make juice with radish and honey, use the whole radish, peel and all. Because the peel has lots of vitamin C and B. Chop up the radish, peel included, pour a good amount of honey over it, and let it sit for a week. This mixture is a powerful way to boost your immune system and get rid of coughs and phlegm for good. So far, we've explored 3 foods that form the worst combinations with honey, as well as 3 that are the best matches. Let's summarize one last time, shall we? Firstly, avoid consuming honey with soy-based foods like tofu and soy milk. Instead, pair it with milk. Don't mix honey with tannin-rich foods like persimmons or black tea. Instead, enjoy honey with cinnamon to fully reap its health benefits. Moreover, instead of pairing honey with onions, it's better to consume it with radishes. How does that sound? I hope you can take good care of your health by wisely choosing the best food combinations. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And do share it with your precious family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. John. Thank you.